Electromagnetic radiations. Have you ever seen them? You must have seen something out of that, right? Have you seen a yellow light? I think you have. Have you seen a red light? You have. Have you seen a rainbow? Yes, you have. So, all these things are part of electromagnetic spectrum. All right. Have you heard of X rays? You have, right? Have you heard of infrared waves? You have. Gamma rays. All these rays are electromagnetic radiations. All right. So, what is the electromagnetic radiations? Let me explain it to you. Any any what is the radiations? Have you given a thought? What is radiation? Uh, a moving form of energy. A moving form of energy is known as radiations. A moving form of energy. That energy could be anything. A light energy, then it will be called as light radiation. A yellow color beam of light, that will be called a radiation. A heat energy transfer from one place to another, that will be called a radiation, heat radiation. So basically, radiation is moving form of energy. And here we are studying electromagnetic radiation. So electromagnetic radiation have a very interesting thing. I'll explain it to you with my two hands. Watch me out. Electromagnetic radiation. Imagine my this hand. This hand is electrical field component. All right, and this hand is magnetic field component, and I am my electromagnetic wave. So I am a electromagnetic move. I'll move towards you. You imagine it is an electromagnetic move wave. I am an electromagnetic wave. I have electric field component. I have magnetic field component, and my movement is movement of an electromagnetic wave. So my oscillations are like this. This is electric field component oscillating, and this is magnetic field oscillating, right? So my movement is like an electromagnetic wave, right? So a electromagnetic wave is moving like I move. So electric field component is oscillating like this. Magnetic field is oscillating perpendicular to this. So both the component are perpendicular to each other. Or you can watch me like this. I am an electromagnetic wave. This is the movement of electromagnetic wave, right? So electrical field component and magnetic field component oscillate perpendicular to each other. Watch me. This is electric field component and this is magnetic field component. Both are oscillating perpendicular to each other, right? And my movement is movement of electromagnetic radiations. So all three are perpendicular to each other. Electrical field component, magnetic field component, right? They are perpendicular to each other, and my movement, direction of my movement, so all three are perpendicular to each other. So that is what a electromagnetic wave is all about. Electric field component perpendicular to magnetic field component, and both these component perpendicular to the direction of wave motion. All right, so that is what electromagnetic radiation is all about. And there are multiple types of electromagnetic radiations like X-rays, UV rays, gamma rays, radio waves, microwaves. All right, if we arrange them, if we arrange them in a particular order of wavelength, if we arrange them in particular order of wavelength, that is increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of wavelength, then that arrangement of these waves is known as electromagnetic spectrum. So this arrangement, if you see on your page, is known as electromagnetic spectrum. What is there? Gamma rays, then X rays, then UV rays, then visible light, then you will get radar, then you will get FM radio waves, then TV waves, short waves, AM waves, like that. So this arrangement of radiation is known as electromagnetic spectrum. What is happening over here? Gamma rays have the lowest wavelength, all right, and this side, if you move from gamma rays towards AM waves, then the wavelength is increasing, and out of this only we can visualize. Our eyes are capable of seeing only visible spectrum is this portion, a small portion of light. All right. So this is what Vibgyor is. That is what you have seen in the rainbow. Rainbow, you have seen seven colors, right? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. That is VIBGYOR. Violet to red. VIBGYOR. So starting from shortest wavelength and ending towards longest wavelength. So this is the visible spectrum of light what we see in rainbow. Alright. So this is all about electromagnetic spectrum.